In this video, I will show you how you can connect your PayPal account with your Etsy account so that when customer buy your product, they can purchase via PayPal. So first of all, you have to go to your Etsy account dashboard. Once you are on your dashboard, on the top right side, you can see there is a shop manager option. So click on shop manager. As a shop manager, you can see at the left side there is a finance option. So click on finance and then payment setting. Click on this payment setting option. So once you click on payment setting option, now here you can see all available method by which customer can purchase your product. So here at the last you can see there is a PayPal option. So just click on this PayPal option and you will be directed to your PayPal account. Then log in with your PayPal account and your PayPal account will be connected with Etsy account. So once you will connect your PayPal account with your Etsy account, then whenever a customer buy any product, then at the end at the purchase point they will be asked to pay through their PayPal account.